A routine drug possession plea takes an unexpected turn when the judge delivers a warning that could change the defendant's future forever. Will this be his last chance, or the beginning of another trip through the justice system? Stay until the end. You won't want to miss what the judge says.
Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Right, agree with the state.
Vince?
Tim Molina for Mr. Hernandez.
And are you Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hernandez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
I believe we are, Judge.
Judge, the state's actually waiving
waiving.
the enhancements.
In that case, Judge, we waive the proceeding on count one.
All right, thank you. And I'm assuming there's no objection to the waiver?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. No objection.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has been held to assist me in this defense, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hernandez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 123 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $600 fine. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, sir.
Defense and state?
It is the plea, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, sir.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such motions?
There you are.
Then to the offense, how do you plead?
No
Guilty?
contest.
No contest. State, any evidence?
Judge, you have to say exhibit number 1, including all evidence.
No objection.
All right, did you review the waiver and did you maybe excuse? Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that my client does have, yesterday at least, 123 days in the Bexar County Jail. We would ask the court to consider satisfying the judgment.
The court will find you guilty as previously stated. The court will sentence you to 123 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $600 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Court will give you credit for any time served. There's to be no residing in households with minors. And the court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, And because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so here's the thing. Obviously, you have a drug problem. You need to take care of that. Otherwise, you're going to end up back and forth at somebody's jail or in somebody's prison, or either worst case scenario, somebody's going to be identifying your body because you never know what you're taking. There are plenty of places in Bexar County that can help you. If you're released from custody, because I see that he had a warrant somewhere else.
He's being pulled to Comal. He has a case pending there.
All right. Well, make sure you get help, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, which means that our law school loans were much more than his. But I will tell you, enjoy law school as much as possible, because when it ends, you're closer to even adulting more, because now your name goes on the every document without your supervising attorney signing. It's like, but so what type of law do you want to practice?
I'd like to go into a public defender's office.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, she actually did her paper in law school about specialty courts. So,
Mental health.
mhm.
Oh,
Yes.
awesome. You know, we need more people who are willing to do that. I mean, it's a hard job, but I think it's very rewarding. And I always tell students that I would mentor, and they decided they want to do criminal law, whatever. I say, look, criminal law is not one of those fields where you're going to become a multimillionaire.
Yeah,
So if you're looking for that, no.
she'll be a PI lawyer or something.
Yeah, yeah. But it's very rewarding, and you're going to meet some great people. And I will tell you, on the criminal side, you have some attorneys who are willing. It's like a camaraderie. Of course, you always have some attorneys who don't feel it that way, and they're just trying to shove the knife in your back. But a majority of them want to help and do whatever they can. So welcome. It's going to be great.
It's nice to meet you.
You too.
Yeah.
And if you ever want to come by and see anything, just let us know. You're more than
Thank
welcome
you.
anytime.
Yeah, Sonia, you always quite often have interns here, and you're very active with that, trying to propel that
Yes,
education.
and we're actually right now in a jury trial.
Oh,
So if you want to come in and watch the jury trial, it's a murder case. We're going to start up at 10:30 after we finish with this docket. And after I finish, after I finish with a couple of pleas, then we'll
Okay.
Yeah.
do this. Yeah.
There's something to learn. It's the beauty of this one.
The attorneys who are trying it are Lauren and Megan on this side, and on this side is David.
Great,
Yeah.
great words. Awesome. Sounds good, Judge. I appreciate your time.
You're still pending extraction from something.
Okay, how long is this extraction going to take? Because we keep coming back.
I mean, the problem is once they have it, then getting it to me is another step in the process, because the programs are slow and take up a lot of space.
All right, so
There's
defense,
flow.
if you make sure, and guys, you are going to have to confer off docket on this extraction thing.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you guys another discovery setting,
Okay.
and I'm expecting the extraction to be done. So I'm going to recall you all for 60 days. I thought about giving you 45 days, but with the extraction, so I'm going to give you guys 60 days, and I want to expect some movement by that time, because this case has been on the court's docket for a while.
I mean, the extractions often shut my laptop down.
Yeah, I don't know. Dude. I'll get my understanding is on a USB, so I'll get that from BCSO and get it to our IT to make it viewable.
Okay, so Ms. Ferguson is not here, but let me give you your 60 days. Just 1 second. My computer is moving so slow. All right, so what we're looking at, guys, could everybody pull out their calendar and see if this is a good date for you, Miss Ephraim, because I know sometimes you're on vacation. Well, you know, September 14th, according to the calendar, it is National Cream-Filled Donut Day and
Yeah.
National Eat a Hoagie Day.
But I mean, it's right after Rosh Hashanah. I don't know if you want me to come on
No,
the 15th.
I understand that.
Okay.
So, you know what? Let's see if we can, I'm gonna give you all some more time. Let's see if we can put it at the end of September then.
That would be great. Thank you, Judge.
Let me see. All right, so what we can do is we'll do September 28th. So at that time, I'm expecting some movement on the extraction.
Okay.
All right,
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
all right. And we'll get you a reset form. And once you sign the reset form, you will be excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right,
Thank you, Judge. And
What's the date, Judge?
September 28th.
What do you think? Did the judge strike the right balance between accountability and compassion? Or should the sentence have been tougher? Share your opinion in the comments. If you enjoy real courtroom cases, powerful judicial moments, and legal stories with important lessons, hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and join us for more unforgettable courtroom proceedings every week. Asterisk,